Health maintenance organizations, HMOs, are a type of managed care health insurance plan designed to provide comprehensive and cost-effective healthcare services to their members. There are two crucial components that define the structure and functioning of an HMO: the network of healthcare providers and the emphasis on preventive care. A fundamental element of an HMO is its network of healthcare providers. HMOs contract with a specific group of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare professionals to form a network. Members are required to choose a primary care physician, PCP, from within this network. The PCP serves as the central point of contact for all of the members' healthcare needs. If specialized care is necessary, the PCP refers the member to a specialist within the HMO's network. The network arrangement helps control costs and ensures that healthcare services are coordinated and streamlined. It also fosters a collaborative approach to patient care. Another key component of HMOs is their strong emphasis on preventive care. HMOs focus on proactive measures to keep their members healthy and prevent the onset of serious illnesses. Regular checkups, screenings, and vaccinations are often covered at little to no cost for members. By prioritizing preventive care, HMOs aim to detect potential health issues early, reducing the need for costly and extensive treatments in the long run. This approach aligns with the philosophy of promoting overall wellness and managing healthcare expenses effectively. In summary, the two vital components of an HMO are its carefully curated network of healthcare providers and the emphasis on preventive care. The combination of these elements distinguishes HMOs as a model of healthcare delivery that aims to provide accessible, coordinated, and cost-effective services to its members.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.